This is just in. Please stay tuned because I have a couple of different recalls that I'm going to go over in this particular video. The first one is from Prairie Farms Dairy. The first one is for Holiday Nog. This recall is for Holiday Nog. It's eggnog, guys. It's eggnog. And there's undeclared eggs. So if you have allergies to dairy or eggs, you cannot consume eggs. This is what this recall is for. If you have purchased it this month in December, you want to return it and not consume it. Now, before we get into the next recall, I need you guys to smash that subscribe button and make sure the notification bell is set to all. We need to keep up to date on these recalls. I try to come on as quick as possible when I find out. Okay, and also on the Holiday Nog from the Prairie Farms Dairy Corporation. This was sold in dairy farms between the 4th and the 6th of December. So if you've purchased it, please be aware, please check your dates and return it. Just don't consume it. Now, the second one is going to be for sun-dried tomatoes. The tomatoes, sun-dried tomato halves. They are Aviator sun-dried tomato halves. These have been recalled due to undeclared sulfites, and they were distributed nationwide. So if you've purchased any sun-dried tomato halves from Aviator anywhere in the nation, please return them. Do not consume them due to undeclared sulfites. Make sure you share this out because if it doesn't affect you, it may affect someone else. And we want to keep everyone safe and informed. This is December 12th, 2023.